Hey guys, being tired is an understatement right now. This makeup artist I had cancelled on me 1 hour before the actual appointment. Like, who does that? You have a business and you do that? If I don't cry, like, I'm running on 3 hours sleep. 3 hours sleep. Yesterday I went to Carnival and that was a mess on its own, but that's a story for another day. I actually got a bit fucked up yesterday. So this makeup artist I got last minute, she was supposed to be here 20 minutes ago, and she's not here, of course. Do you see booking these London girls? It's actually very crazy. Like, they're so unprofessional. On top of that, she's gonna charge me an emergency fee while you're making me wait for 30 minutes. How does that make sense? But anyways, MK slayed my hair, alright? Yeah. Yesterday, my lace was fucked up, but today it's not, so yeah. But yeah, I'm so tired. I've been eating this pineapple. Yeah, bye.
Okay, we're coming now.
Thank you, ma. All right, no problem. Okay,
Thank
then.
you. Bye, mommy.
I'm trying not to bend.
No,
Say hi
she
to Al one day. Say hi, Mom. Look how nice she looks.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you.
Hi,
No, guys. Fucking wait. Guys, I'm not.
Period. My sis looks so good.
I'm ready to take pictures. Do you think so?
Yes.
Oh, guys, I'm overthinking this thing. Huh?
Everyone is just gorgeous.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
What else?
Yeah,
Comb.
let's go.
Who has
Can I take a
comb
shot,
inside their
please?
bag?
Can I take a shot before we go?
Yeah.
Oh,
Who has a comb inside their bag?
Zango. Cheers, more life.
No, I'm so shy.
Oh, you look so beautiful. What are you shy for?
Let me
Take
take it down and you'll see.
Okay, guys.
If you bring your thing down, you'll see it. Yeah.
Period.
Where's
Tatiana?
I don't even know. Where's Tatiana?
Now if you niggas don't love
to Canary Wharf. To do what?
You don't know?
I have no idea, but yeah. Bye. Not me vlogging.